everybody, I'm back and today we're gonna talk about dogs. Yay! I have a dog here. Do you have a dog in your house too? Let me tell you a little bit about dogs. Check it out. Dogs can be big or small. These are big dogs and these are small dogs. Instead of hair, dogs have fur. Short fur like that, or long fur. And they also have tails. And they wag their tails when they are happy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. When they want to communicate, they can howl and bark. And now that you know a little bit more about dogs, we're going to count the dogs. Yes, we're going to use the numbers and count the dogs. Let's do it. So today I bring you a book called Play with Counting by Barbara Webb. Look at those cute dogs. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs in the field playing with me. You counted 3 dogs total. 1, 2, 3. So far, so good. Are there any more dogs in the field? Keep counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dogs altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's doggy heaven. How about now? Did the number change? They are all mixed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the total stays the same. 7. One dog goes home. His dinner is ready. Did our total change now, or did it stay the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With one dog gone, now we have less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the rule when you want to know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number you can count is the total amount. I hope you liked counting the dogs with me, and I'll see you again next time for more. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.